Hi, my name is Pam Blount. I'm the media specialist at the elementary school in Whitmore Lake as well as the high school. I was a substitute teacher in 1997, raised my kids through this school district, and have been in the libraries ever since, and I have never in the history of ever seen an assembly or a production of engagement where the kids were brought to life in the way that they were, compelled to engage with one another, with teachers, with honesty and emotion that they had possibly been suppressing, in some cases were suppressing, because I talked to some of the kids afterward, that they felt a certain sense of freedom and enlightenment, for lack of a better word, but they were illuminated in how to talk about this, how to be kind, skills, practical skills that they can use to help someone who's being bullied. It was the most amazing experience, and honestly, never saw anything like it, and I would recommend it to any school.